Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about exponential function. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about y equal to abs. Now when s equal to number 0, we put number 0 in here. You will go about a. Because b to the power of 0, you got about number 1. And y equal to number 3, we put number 3 in here. So a equal to number 3. Now let's go to 115. Now we change a into number 3. When s equal to number 1, so we put s equal to number 1 go in here. And y equal to 15. We put this one in here. So in this situation, we will have about 15 equal to 3b. To find the value of b, we divide both sides by number 3. And we got about number 5. So the final answer of the question, that's about 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.